Hi everybody, welcome again. Today we are on the Linssen 35 SL Sedan 75 edition, the edition which came out last year at the 75th anniversary of Jonkers Yachts. So when we come on the boat, one of the details we see directly are the cushions with the 75 edition logo in it. The cushions outside and the cushions inside, as also the label and the top of the doors. Another thing which you will see here is the teak deck on the cockpit floor. It's a self-drainage cockpit with a lot of storage under it. And we made for the client a special table outside. But of course, when you don't like to use this table, you can also take the table from inside to outside and to fix it on the floor, because the connections are there on the floor. In the boat we see a lot of lovely details, especially the size of the boat. It's a 35 footer, but you have a lot of space inside the boat. Now we see the U-shaped sofa, the Saloon, where I can have a television in the evening. When I open this, you see directly the television. Another good feature is here in the Saloon to make a double bed from the bank, from the couch. So first of all, we slide the table below the office. We take this cushion away for a minute. Slide this out. The extra cushion from the back goes into the middle. I'll take this cushion back again, turn it around. Now we can slide out this part of it. As you can see, I'll take this cushion away. I'll take this cushion away. The helm to the front. And I can slide this out a bit. I'll take these cushions away. And what you see now is that we have a really nice double bed. For two adults. This boat has a very nice special. It's the first boat in this class who has the oven, microwave and grill by electricity. The 75 edition, I told you about some items on the boat. One of the items are also these curtains in the 75 edition. And what you see is really nice, the indirect lighting, where I have a switch when I come in that I can put the lights on and off. So on the helm we have the chart plotter, we have the I-70 from Raymarine, we have the engine control, the display, the throttle, we have bow and stern thruster, and we have the 75 edition wheel. And of course what would be very nice is when you're cruising on the rivers or the lakes, that you can cruise with two people at the helm station. So look what we are going to do. And there we have the second seat. Another unique feature is the sliding roof, the electrical sliding roof. You can close it easily. You can have it in all the positions you like. And what we have also is a mosquito screen, which is here. Or from the other side, the blind. And good to know, the roof, the electrical sliding roof is isolated. Another feature of the 35 footers, especially the 35 sedan, is the really big cellar with 4 blue boxes on the port side, 4 blue boxes on the starboard side, and a lot of space around, also for an extra fridge, for example. To the front cabin. How nice and cautious is this? With lockers on the port side, starboard side, Also the paneling, how it is done with the materials. The reading lights, also directly connecting point for charging up your telephone. We have a USB socket, 230 volt socket on the port side. And from here we can go into the shower and we can go into the toilet via the night door. And look how big the toilet area is. What I like from the engine room of the Linssen 35 is the space around. On the port side and the starboard side of the engine we have 1 square meter left to stay to work. On the right side we have our techniques, our electricity. We have the batteries, the house bank, the starting battery, the batteries for the bone stern thruster. We have our charger, also with the inverter with it. In the back we have our black water tank. On the port side we have our calorifier, warm water heater, and we have our pumps for the shower, the fresh water pump, the black water pump. We have the diesel tank in the front with the heating above. We have the fire extinguisher on the left side, and we have also the Marine Technics in the back. So all the Technics is in the back. That means that also the seacocks are all in the engine compartment. There's no seacock in the bow section or the aft section, because the toilet is also going via fresh water. We are here with our electrical anchor winch, 1500 watt, 12 volt. I can do with remote control the anchor up and down. When the electricity is not working, or I like to do some extra fitness, I can do it manually. There's also a handle delivered with it. Here we have the mast of the Linssen 35 SL. It's an aluminum powder coated mast. We have the Glomax in it for the television. We have our navigation light, our anchor light. We have here our GPS for the charpotter, the radio and the horn. And we can put extra options on it, like for example an autopilot. Looking to the beautiful weather outside, this boat is now in our showroom, but are you coming over to see the boat, to buy the boat, and that you can put it into the water and that you can start cruising through Europe? Welcome aboard. For all the details, see below the link. Thank you for watching this video. Please give us a like and write in a comment below what you like to see as the next boat in our videos.